There's two big bits of news coming out of the meetings and the developments today in regards to the club transitioning into a full-time programme, even more so than this year, heading into next season. So that's something that's really exciting and something that we're going to continue to work hard on in the background over the coming months, but that's our plan, and that's what we want to really put forward to do. And then secondly, the main element of bringing the stadium back to Deeside, which is something that is huge news for the local community, huge news for the football club, huge news for the Welsh programme, because I believe there's a lot of questions in the background from a lot of people regarding why we're still at Flint, what's going on at Flint, what might happen. So yeah, this new stadium plans, which again has been worked on massively for a number of years now in the background, are coming to fruition, and the views and the vision is going to be clear to see for everyone today. It's something that we're really excited to look forward to, and for all the players at the football club, all the fans, all the supporters, all the sponsors, for them to look forward to. When you look at the venue here today, look at obviously all of the developments, everything around it. It's got local businesses, you've got easy access and easy routes into here. So it's exciting. If we can get it over the line, we can get it all finalised. That's something massively for us to look forward to. So when we played at Deeside, we had so much success there that I think it does bring back loads of good memories, even for myself. That was 4 or 5 years ago, wherever that might be. It's key for the local community, it's key for the local club, it's key for the local schools, businesses, and they can come and watch us in Connah's Key. Fantastic. And hopefully that drives the attendance figures back up for ourselves. But yeah, it's key for us to try and get back home. The fans and for everybody that have been in and around it. 10 years ago, we were playing at Deeside. We loved it at Deeside. We had so much success winning the title back-to-back with Andy Morrison, with Jay, with the current ownership structure as well, with a full-time programme in Parliament and in place. So that obviously comes with different challenges, and I think people have an expectation that we should be back up at the top of the league. That's difficult. CNS are a fantastic club. We as a club are really excited about our next journey, what that might bring up. Can we challenge the TNS over the next couple of years? Of course, that's what everybody wants to do. Of course, that's what every team wants to do. I'm sure there's 4 or 5 other teams that are announcing their plans who are going to say exactly the same thing. We have so much respect for TNS, but we want to try and get there where we possibly can. So yes, we want to. However long that might take is obviously down to the on-field structuring, because off the field now, I think we're really moving at a momentum that's going to help us to challenge.